All right, grilling with the good dogs. There is the good dogs. What are we doing today? We're doing a steak dinner, but it's going to be kind of a special steak dinner. My mom is in town, and she actually likes her steaks well done. I know there are plenty of people who say that's ruining a good steak, but
No.
she was asking me, how can she cook her steak and my dad's steak at the same time? So I have two 7-ounce tenderloin fillets here. One of them is going to be well done. One of them we're going to do a little bit of medium rare. First thing we're going to do, all you want to do is some salt and pepper, some bacon, some butter. I did yellow onion last time with it. We got the cast iron skillet going, and it was fantastic. So I'm going to do that again here. For her and I, I'm doing a little something special. I'm going to put some scallops on there. First things first, let's get these steaks ready. We want them to be about room temperature before we cook them. So I'm going to get them prepped and let that happen. All right, steaks are all prepped. I'm going to go through the scallops on the smoker. We're going to put these probes in here. Now, the red one is going to be the raw one. That we want to get to, I want to say 145 Fahrenheit. No, I'm sorry, 135 Fahrenheit, somewhere in there. The green one, which is going to be the well done one, we want to get about 160. Here's how we're going to do this. We're going to sear both of them for the same amount of time on the skillet, okay? 3 or 4 minutes each side, maybe 5 minutes. We'll see, okay? I say that because, each cut of meat you're going to get is going to be dependent. These are usually pretty uniform, so I'd think 3 or 4 is going to be fine. Then they're going to go in the oven. The well done one's going to go in by itself, and I want to say 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side. When we go to flip it, we're going to put the other one in. It's going to be 2.5 and 2.5. I'm going to double check that, but let me get back to it. Grilling with the good dog. Like I said, about 4 minutes on each side. We got it on my medium, but my gas runs pretty hot. Oven is preheated to 415. So what we're going to do, we're going to put these on, butter side down. I'm going to make sure to put these probes in them real quick. And then, like I said, about 3 or 4 minutes on one side, flip it over to the other side. And I got some butter on standby for the other side. Make sure you got good butter on the other side. Then it's going to go into the oven. One of them only. Okay, so I'll pick whichever one's going to be well done, which is going to be the red one. That one is going to come off. I'll have a plate set aside for it. I'll do, like I said, probably 10 minutes at 415. And then throw the next one in there. It's going to be 5 and 5 and 10 for the other. So yeah. Again, I want to double check those numbers, make sure I get this right. This is expensive cuts of meat. So grilling. All right, just put them down. 618. I'm going to give about 4 minutes. 622. Flip them over. And then it's so, the purple one, I didn't like the probe. The green probe wasn't working well. Purple one's going to go in. I'll move the red one off to a plate. 5 minutes. Again, we want to watch this. It should get up to about 160. And then this one will go in at the 5 minute mark. It's 5 minutes. So it's 10 minutes overall on this one, 5 minutes overall on that one. That's what we'll do. You can see it's starting to climb a little bit. So right now, again, 622. Gonna flip them over. I got the butter for the other. All right, we executed the flip. I'm gonna turn off that vent fan. Executed the flip. Temperature's still rising. Happy with that. We'll let that keep going. Like I said, that oven's preheated to 415. Now, I have the probes in here because I want to test this, okay? Putting it at 415, it's a 7-ounce steak, okay? This one, again, we're trying to get to about 160 with the purple, 135-ish with the red. So when we're ready to go in, the red will come out. I'll put it with some tongs. I got a little bowl right here it can sit in. And then I'm guessing after about 5 minutes of the purple one being in there, we'll put the red one back in it. So that'll be 5 minutes for the red, 10 minutes total for the purple. Hopefully that works. Again, we're trying to see number 1 to get to 135 and then 6 to get to 160. Grilling with the good dogs worldwide. All right. 4 minutes each side. Red is coming out. Remember, we want that one about medium rare to rare. Now I'm going to put this skillet inside there. But first thing I want to do, I like flipping these over. Anytime something changes, I want to flip it over. I don't want to burn one side too much. Put it all nice around, a little bit, agitate those onions. All right, I need to put the phone down so I can throw it in there. There's the good dog, Chef Klein. Let me get this in there. Remember, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, we'll see what it is. Right now, raw is at, the medium rare is at 99. And medium well is at 88. Maybe that probe's messed up too. We'll see. See what it gets to. One thing I want y'all to remember. You can see number one, the medium rare, the temperature kept rising even after we took it off with the skillet. So it's gonna keep cooking even when you remove it from the heat. You gotta remember that, okay? So just something to keep in mind. Don't overshoot it thinking, oh, well, I'll be fine. When you hit that number, you're pretty much good because it's gonna keep cooking. And when it comes off of the skillet and everything, you want to let it sit for about 10 minutes or so. So no rushing steaks. They don't take long, so don't rush them. Still got another about 3 minutes. Grilling with the good dogs. There's a logo. Turn that logo. Let them see that glory. All right, 6:35. It has been 5 minutes. We're gonna throw this one back in there. Let's pull that out. Again, what I like to do, if something's happening, something's changing, let's flip this bad boy. Make some room. Get this guy on there. Now we're gonna give that about 2.5, 3 minutes, and then we'll flip that one too. I like to have symmetry. Give it a second to heat back up too. So now you can see number one, which is medium rare, is at 120. Number 6, which is the well done, is at 124. Should still be climbing, or hopefully still be climbing. We may have to leave the other one in a little bit longer. It's gonna be a little different every time. Every cut of meat's gonna be a little bit different. So do your best. Grill good. Still another minute to go. You can see that the well done's at 133. The medium rare is at 120. Like I said, still one more minute. We'll flip the medium rare one. Still climbing. That's a good sign. Good sign. All right, just about time. 122. Well done's at 140. That's a good sign. Remember, we still got about 3 minutes we're going to do with M4. So let's flip that medium well one. Or that medium rare one. And you got to remember, every time I open this, they're losing the heat. Losing the heat that's cooking them. So kind of have to account for that. We might give it a little bit more. It might go up to 4 minutes. We'll see. 122 and 140 on good track. If we keep this incline, they should meet at the same time. About, again, same size cuts of meat, so that's good. One of them was a little bit taller than the other one, so you're gonna have a different surface area ratio. That's gonna change up how it absorbs heat. So especially in a convection oven. Yep, grilling with the good dogs. Let's see how this works out. Got 3 minutes. We'll say 3 minutes. All right. So we still got about 2 more minutes. But again, because we kept opening up that oven, you're gonna lose heat. I think that's gonna make us need a little more time for it. So let's say we'll give it another 4 minutes. We're only about 8 degrees. Oh, closer. I'm about 6 degrees away for the medium rare, and still about 15, maybe a little more degrees. Actually, I'm sorry, 11 degrees for the well done. So getting there. May need to pull the medium rare a little bit early. Grilling with the good dogs. The numbers game. So 2 minutes left to go, and the medium rare has reached its temperature. So I'm actually gonna start pulling that one out. Probably put it on its plate. We got 10-minute time for that. And 4 more degrees on the well done. All right, and with 1 minute left, we are at 160. So I'm gonna pull that skillet out, put that steak on the plate, and let it rest 10 minutes, and then we'll cut into them, see what happens. What do you think, good dog? What do you think, Chef Klein? All right, moment of truth. Let's see how this did. This is the medium rare one. You can see, still pretty good and pink in the middle right there. This is the well done. What do you say? What do you say, Chief?
Yeah.
Mummuh Bear?
Yeah. Looks good.
Good enough?
Good enough. Yes.
Okay.
I'll eat it.
All right. Well, I'm going to pretty these up, put the rest of the trimmings with this, and give y'all one last show. There's Chef Klein Bear, Chef Corkle. All right, let me get this pretty for you. Grilling with the good dog. All right, there it is. Medium rare. Well done. Mashed potatoes, green beans, bacon wrapped scallops, and the tenderloin fillets. Some sauteed onions on top. Bon appetit. Grilling with the good dogs. Where's that other good dog? There she is. She is a good dog. All right. That's all there is. Until next time, grilling with the good dogs. Hey guys, it's me, the Fat Dad. Just want to let y'all know, I hope y'all are enjoying the videos here on YouTube. But if you want to see more, we actually have a Snapchat where you'll see a lot more of the uncut stuff. The final product is what ended up on YouTube, but a lot of bloopers, mistakes, and experiments happen on Snapchat, so check us out there. You can find that on our Instagram page, where if you follow our Instagram, you'll see candid pictures of the dogs, throwback pictures, and a little bit about each one of the recipes that we put up here on YouTube. So give that a try. That's Grilling with the Good Dogs on Instagram. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching the videos.